Hi friends, welcome back again to Sapima tutorial. I want us to solve this problem on the board together, alright? Tan theta is equal to 5 over 12. We are asked to evaluate sine square theta cos theta minus sine theta. So relax as we solve this. But before we do, please click the follow button and follow me, and then like this video, share it to your friends as well. Let's simplify. We have tan theta to be 5 over 12. And we know the trigonometric identity of tan theta. That is, tan theta is opposite over adjacent. That shows us that 5 is our opposite. So O is equal to 5, and the denominator 12 is our adjacent. So A is our adjacent 12. Then one other thing we need to be able to solve these problems is hypotenuse, which we don't have. So we are going to be using the law of right angle triangle, which is Pythagorean theorem, to get the third part of this triangle, or the identity. We have a right angle triangle. The longest side is our hypotenuse. The side touching the angle, let's assume the theta is located here. This is our adjacent, and the other part facing the given angle is our opposite. So we have been given here as 12, given here as 5. We need to find the third part. To do that, we use Pythagorean theorem, which says that h squared is equal to a squared plus o squared. Let's substitute. Our h squared will be equal to, our a is 12, 12 squared plus our o is 5. We have 5 squared. 12 squared will give me 144. 5 squared will give me 25. Add the both of them, we have 169. So h squared is 169. To get the value of h, we take the square root of the both sides. Square root cancels square. So I will have my h, square root of 169 will give me 13. So the third part of this right angle triangle is 13. So we can now solve this. Before we do, remember trigonometric identity of sine theta. Trig identity of sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse. We have opposite over hypotenuse. So the value of sine theta will now become, sine theta should now become opposite, which is 5, over hypotenuse is 13. We write it here. Then we now talk about the square of theta. The square of theta means squaring its identity. I mean sine square theta means squaring this identity. So we'll have 5 over 13 squared. All right, then let's square. 5 squared will give me 25 over 13 squared will give me 169. If there is any common factor that can divide up and down, we divide. But as it were, we cannot divide. This is the simplest time we go. So sine squared theta is equal to this. Let's go for this. Let's get the identity of cos first. Since we have gotten for sine, let's get for cos. So cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. Look at adjacent, 12. So we said that this is cos theta will give us 12 adjacent. Our hypotenuse is 13 over 13. So the next thing we are going to do is to put them into this expression. So cos theta is 12 over 13. I will have 12 over 13 minus sine theta is what? 5 over 13. We have 5 over 13. Then let us solve the fraction. Since I have a common denominator, I will take 1. So I will have 13. 12 minus 5. If you take 1, since they are the same, you now subtract. 12 minus 13 will give us 7. So this expression will give us 7 over 13. Thank you so much for watching. I want to believe that you understood the tutorial very well. Please like this video, share to your friends, and follow for more interesting mathematics tutorials. Bye-bye.